Good morning, dear friends. Today I'll tell you how to use quizzes. So this is very important and interesting app. Just click on this, and we have different commands here. I have downloaded my app from my Play Store, and we can also use it on online. Okay, on online basis also. Just put your email ID here, and you have your own account. I'm using especially for my maths class, but we have different subjects here also, like mathematics, English, science, history, computers, and social studies. And we have different inbuilt our class test also, topic wise also, even lesson plans also, and we have different slides also. Believe me, this is very useful app for teachers. So I'm going to tell you my mathematics. Just click on your mathematics, and you can type any topic, anything here also. You can search your topics as you want. Like I'm just writing like tens and ones, and we can click on our search button. See friends, we have different type of tests here. You can click on it, and directly you can share to your students like this. I'm going to select this one, tens and ones. I'm just clicking on it. See, assign, we have different commands also, and this is basically our test. We have pictures in it. Students can count and click on the answer also. This is, yeah, like 11 is the right answer. Already inbuilt answers are here, and your MCQs. So I'm going to assign this homework to my kids. So click on your assign homework directly. Okay, and now you can set your date or deadline, like today's 30th November, one from now. Today's 29th, and we have to give 30th November. No, I want to give them more days. Like I'm going to click on 3rd of December. So this is the deadline, custom deadline, and click on your assign. And we have different commands also. You can select everything, title here also. You can change the title of this test also. And now I'm going to assign homework, so I'm going to click on this assign option. Click on it. Now you can see in front of you in my screen, it will auto generate a code or a link. So I'm just going to copy this link. Click on this button, click on it, and you can share with your students. Like I'm going to my WhatsApp, and I'm going to my homework group. Search, this is my math homework group. Then I'm going to click on it. Just simply you can paste it here and click on send button. You can see students will get it. They can do in 4 days or time limit you have given them, just simply. And this is very interesting. I'm just going to tell you one thing. Pile Sharma, start. You can start. Students will get this type of screen, and they can write their name here and click on start button. Sound effects are here friends, music is here, read aloud is here. As you can choose every command and you can choose as you like and student will like, and you will click on start button and you are able to do this test. Okay. And one more important thing I want to tell you in between in this app. Give me one sec. Yeah, we have different commands here also, like our explore, library, reports, and accounts. This is our reports and this is our account. Account तो simple है, which we use like our Google accounts. Okay, now I'm going to click on my library and report. I'm going to show you. This is report. Friends, already I have shared many links with my students, and you can see how many accuracy, how students are able to use it. Like 65% जो है participants थे and 65% fruitful रहा, means students ने इतना उसको use किया and 65% जो है average था उसका correct होने का. Similarly, telling time, and this is math time. I have today we have shared just 2 minutes ago this link, so student will click on it, they will do it, and you will get the results. Okay, like you can check even we have the participants records here, 45 participants here, 83 participants here, 3 only here. Okay, so this is our report option. Click on it. I have my library also, you can make your own quizzes also, and your lesson plan also, you can draft your quiz also. And I have nothing to share here, I have nothing here, so you can share also even. Okay, so this is all over about this app, and this is very useful app. And main thing is कि we have different subjects also, we can choose and we can uh, use directly. Like we have English here, you can uh, take slides from here. And for math also we have different slides, for science also we have different slides here. Like we have, this is, I'm going to tell you, like this is our computer animation. Animation is here, fifth grade. So how do you feel when the lesson is today? And you can use directly. Okay, so I hope you like this app. So thank you friends, have a nice day.